If you're not planning to buy the booster course pass for Mario Kart 8, don't worry. You're not completely out of luck. The new premium tracks will be randomly available for players playing global or regional races online. If one of your friends owns a copy of the DLC, you don't have to purchase it when you're playing with them in a group either. As originally reported by Eurogamer, the first wave of premium courses will be available for random selection when playing global or regional races online, starting March 22nd. Alternatively, you can play them as soon as March 18th by playing in Friends and Rivals races with someone who already purchased the DLC. So someone still needs to buy the DLC, or you need to pay for the Nintendo Switch Online bundle. But that's still cheaper than everyone in your local Mario Kart meetup purchasing the DLC for themselves. This information has been detailed in the UK version of Nintendo's website, but it is not available on the US website. Kotaku reached out to Nintendo for clarification, but it did not respond at the time of publication. Thank you for watching, Platform Rabbit. Bye.